Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my go-to summer makeup look that's all about achieving that gorgeous glow. I'll be taking you through my entire routine, step by step, so you can follow along and recreate this look for yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep your skin before applying any makeup. It's important to prep your skin properly. I always start by cleansing and moisturizing my face, and then applying a lightweight, oil-free primer. This will create a smooth, even base for your makeup to go on top of. Step 2. Apply your foundation. Next up, it's time to apply your foundation. I like to use a lightweight, sheer foundation for summer, so my skin can still breathe. I apply it all over my face using a beauty sponge, making sure to blend it out really well around my jawline and hairline. Step 3. Conceal and highlight. To cover any dark circles or blemishes, I use a creamy concealer under my eyes and on any spots. Then, I use a liquid highlighter on the high points of my face, my cheekbones, brow bones, and down the bridge of my nose. This adds a beautiful luminosity to the skin. Step 4. Add some color for a summer glow. I like to use cream blush and bronzer. I apply the blush to the apples of my cheeks, blending it out towards my temples, and then I use the bronzer to contour my cheekbones and add warmth to my complexion. This step really helps to bring the whole look together. Step 5. Highlight your eyes. To make my eyes pop, I like to use a shimmery, champagne-colored eyeshadow on my lids. Then, I apply a bit of highlighter to my inner corners and brow bones to really brighten up the area. I finish off with a few coats of mascara. Step 6. Set your makeup. Finally, it's time to set your makeup in place. I use a lightweight, translucent powder to set my foundation and concealer, and then I spritz my face with a setting spray to lock everything in. And there you have it, my go-to summer glow makeup look. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and if you try it out for yourself, be sure to tag me on YouTube so I can see your recreations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!